ago, after the debate the other night. On Monday night we came straight down at 11:20 to 10 or 12 cameramen and journalists asking questions at 11:20. And similarly on Sunday after the debate we came straight out to more questions. And that's as it should be, but it's just to explain why I might run out of words. So I go back to my core. Why are we here? What has happened to our country that we look on over 16,000 people homeless as collateral damage to a successful economy? What kind of language is that? What kind of logic is that? And what kind of logic is when we have children waiting and dying because they're on a waiting list so long, or removed from the waiting list for scoliosis, or simply for an assessment of needs? The Act was brought in 2005, and earlier on today I was at the Women's Collective, and we listened to somebody who lost their 12-year-old daughter, tragically, because of waiting for a CAM service. And I'm only sharing that because it was shared publicly today. And you say, how have we come to this point? What has happened to us that we have let this happen? When you think of the 1916 proclamation and what people died for, and what they enshrined in that proclamation, that we would have a republic of equals, men and women, with ideals and values. What has happened that we've let that go? And it's happened over a period of time with the very destructive, dangerous neoliberal ideology. And a neoliberal ideology that says the individual is all important, not the community, not people together, but the individual. And if you work hard enough and you just aspire to fulfill your dreams, you'll be successful, which is absolutely wrong and unacceptable to me. And that ideology made a product of every single thing that we hold dear. It made a product of housing, a product and an asset to be sold and traded for profit.